welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging my experience of reading this book, that is Tuesdays with Morrie by Mitch Albom. Alright, so I wanna say two things before I start this video. First, that I had no pre-planning as such that I'm gonna be reading this number of book this month, let's say. But somewhere I wanted that since I have very busy schedule, I'm gonna cut down the number of pages I read every month. So for this month, I did not want to read more than 3 books or 4 books. But contrary to what I thought, I started with this book, that is Tuesdays with Morrie, because I couldn't resist. I have a very busy schedule. I have to study all day long. So due to that, I really wanted some bit of refreshment. So I thought, what better than books? So which is why I started with this, and I am like 13 pages in, and I'm at the point where Maury happens to become completely dependent on others, and he is not in a good state, he's not in a good position. He has to take the help of someone or the other to carry out his daily chore. So it is in a way very emotional, and I'm really really into this book. I'm really enjoying it. Let's say how this goes, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to enjoy this book in all great sense. So yeah, I'm really interested. Keep watching this vlog. Hi, dropping here after 2 days long break. Actually, day before yesterday, I had read some about 83 to 84 pages from this book. I'm not really sure. And yesterday too, I couldn't read any bit because I was not feeling well, so I was resting. And today I'm feeling a little better, and barely I've got some time, so I think of continuing it further. So yeah, catch you in a while. So I'm at page 118 of this book, that is Tuesdays with Morrie by Mitch Albom, and I'm really 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 liking the story so far. It is so emotional, and every time I just look at the perspective of Morrie, it makes me super emotional. Well, I'm just briefing you about the story. So there's this man named Mitch and his teacher Morrie, who is suffering from a very deadly disease, and he is on his deathbed. He's going to die soon. So every Tuesday, Mitch visits his teacher, and on one of the Tuesdays, they talk about aging, like what is the fear of aging, how it can affect a person's day-to-day activities, how does it affect a person's mindset, what are the repercussions it brings with it. So in one of the talks between the student and the teacher, so I'll just read those lines to you. They really appeal to me. So the lines go like, aging is not just decay, it's growth. It's more than the negative that you are going to die. It's also the positive that you understand you are going to die, and that you live a better life because of it. These lines are so beautiful. Like, it, as soon as I read those lines, they really appeal to me. These lines are so thoughtful, so meaningful, with a different perspective altogether. He says that we never associate aging with anything positive. Like, if a person knows that he's going to die, he cannot feel optimistic about it. Definitely he'll have his fair share of problems and low phase. But here, Mori is completely giving a new perspective to the readers. I mean, this book is totally about having a perspective, how we can see positivity in every aspect of our life. So I'm really liking it. So I finished reading this book finally, and oh my god, this was such an emotional read. It was very overwhelming, I must say. I fell in love with Mitch Albom's writing style. Well, I do not think I have much to say about this book. All I would want to say is that you definitely should be giving this brilliant piece of work a read. Also, I forgot to mention one thing, that in one of the meetings, Mitch and Morrie talk about detachment from emotions, and such a unique concept. It gave me a fresh perspective to see life in a different manner. So yeah, this was a very, very, very emotional read for me. You will get to learn many things from this book. I really liked it. I really liked Mitch Albom's writing style, and yeah, I think if you're looking for something which is emotional, relatable, meaningful, then I think this should be your pick. And I will soon be posting a full-fledged review of this book on my channel. Please do not forget to watch that out. And yeah, see you guys in another vlog. Bye.